Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start as the supervising adult. Sign into your parent Google account in Family Link or at My Account. Google.com. Make sure two-step verification codes are accessible because Google may require them. Once signed in, locate the child profile immediately. Do not wander through unrelated settings. This step exists to protect the child, so you must be the account owner. If you cannot sign in, pause and recover the password using account recovery before proceeding. Otherwise, you cannot remove supervision. Once you have the child profile open, go straight to Manage Settings and find Stop Supervision or Remove Account. You will be asked to confirm and to enter your parent credentials again. Do that promptly. Follow each confirmation screen. Google may display a countdown or describe what features will change. Make sure you read which data stays or is removed. When done, the child account reverts to a normal Google account and supervision features are lifted. After removal, sign the child into their device and check browsing, Play Store, and location settings to confirm controls are off. If some restrictions remain, remove the child account from device accounts and re-add it. This forces settings to refresh. If the Stop Supervision option fails or you can't complete verification, use account recovery for the parent account or contact Google support for supervised account issues. A key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.